Let's start with the tutorial. So I would want to improve the performance of my website greentechdelhi.com. So for achieving this, I have means evaluated the performance of my website using tool called gtmetrics.com. So I have seen that my performance score on gtmetrics is 87%. So I would want to improve that score now. So let's see how to do that. There is a diagram on your screen. Let me take you through this diagram. So I have a web page, and it has some size, and whenever any user or requests this web page from server using any browser, so there is a load time that means download time that browser takes to means fetch that web page from the server. So we have to actually reduce that particular download time. So how can that be done? I can use gzip or deflate module on my server, GreenTech Delhi server. So the server is right now Apache. On Apache server, I can use deflate module, deflate filter. So basically, by using deflate filter, you can see in diagram the web page get converted into compressed format, that is webpage.zip. Any element like CSS, JavaScript or image can be zipped by using deflate module, and then that compressed format file is means presented to the browser for download. So now as the size of that file has decreased, so the decreased size file is very easy to download and will take less download time. So after download of that particular compressed format file, browser can uncompress it on the user system and then deliver it in a presentable format. So how to configure deflate module on my server? Let's see. So this is basically my .htaccess file, which I have taken downloaded from my root folder, the document root of my website. You can see the code that I have used: add output filter by type to activate filter, deflate filter for my text file, HTML files, JavaScript, CSS, XML. So all these files are delivered in compressed format whenever they are requested by any browser. So this code you can use, you can copy and paste this code and then use it in your htaccess file, and this will means start working, and you can then measure it, measure the performance of your website on gtmetrics.com. So I have enabled this code in my website using htaccess file. So this is the first method which can be used to means improve your performance. Then there is a second method that is called keep alive. You can enable keep alive on your server. Keep alive is the method by which basically you avoid multiple connections that get created between browser and server for multiple files that are on web page. So a single web page contains multiple files, and for accessing those multiple files, browser has to initiate connection with server for each file every time. So to avoid multiple connections every time the file browser wants the file, so we can actually use this feature of the server keep alive. We can enable the keep alive feature. By enabling keep alive feature, in a single connection all the files get downloaded into the browser. So it will actually reduce the load on the CPU, but on the other hand it will increase memory usage. So always ensure that your memory is enough to enable keep alive feature on your website. If you have multiple images and multiple sessions on your website, high traffic on your web pages, so you can enable keep alive, but always ensure about means the amount of memory you have. So after enabling these two features in my .htaccess file, when I am evaluated the performance of my website on GT metrics tool, so it has means increased up to I think, let's see, gtmetrics.com. gtmetrics.com, www.greentechdelhi.com/blog analyze. So let me remind you, the performance score was 87% before optimization. Let's see how much the score has improved right now. And how much time the web page is taking to load. So the score has improved to 94%, and previously it was 87%. So there is very good increase, very good improvement in performance score. So in this way you can improve the performance of your website. Thank you very much for watching this video.